All right, so I'm gonna have to clean out the tracks on the excavator, and it's freezing outside, so I need hot water, and I don't have a hot water pressure cleaner. So I thought, well, what about that old boiler we used to have when I was a kid? Yeah, and here it is. It's basically a firewood stove with a kettle built in, so you can heat water and other stuff with it. So we're gonna set this up and try to fire it up and see if we can heat up the water, and then maybe we can clean the excavator. I noticed the threads on this pipe here is it's damaged quite a bit, so we'll see if this even works. This original valve, we can't use this because obviously it's not a standard where we can connect a garden hose, so we're gonna have to put something else here instead. All right, so we have this hose connector here and just a few adapters to try to get it onto this pipe here with just a ball valve to shut it off. Just gonna split apart some of these bigger pieces so the fire can get started more easily. The firewood is a bit damp. It's been sitting outside here for a few days. It's been snowing and thawing and whatever, but it's burning. And we got smoke coming up the chimney. It does have quite a tall chimney to get the proper draft for the fire. It's gonna take a while for the water to heat up though. It's not that quick. You know, back in the days when I was a kid, we used to have a a couple of pigs over the summer, and so we would use that boiler to cook potatoes and fish for the pigs, and they kind of like that. Who doesn't? I think that is warmer than 30 degrees now. It's been cooking for too long and it's already burning out. I remember that now. You kind of need to put in fire with wood all the time because it's so small. There is something about fire. It's exciting. All right, so I measured the temperature and it was way above 30. So I added more water to even out the temperature at a lower temperature. And so I'm gonna start washing the excavator now. And we'll see how this goes. Definitely. Well, as you saw, this high pressure cleaner, it's not really a high pressure cleaner. I've seen cows pee harder than this, and and to be fair, it's kind of a garden cleaner, and I'm not sure what in a garden do you need only this for. You can just use a garden hose. It's plenty of power there compared to this, but yeah, I had to clean out the tracks by hand because this didn't work. But the heating of the water, I think that works. I think it's a good thing when you don't have any electricity. I had for this one, but I don't have for heating the water, and I don't have any water, so it's a water tank and a heater combined, and I think that kind of works. If you have a water tap, then you could just use that and an electric water heater, or you could just conjure up the money to buy a hot water cleaner. But yeah, I think I will be doing this again, but I need to get another cleaner first, high pressure cleaner.